So you're working towards getting your first full-on bodyweight pull-up. Well, first off, congratulations. Few people ever take on such a task, and even fewer ever even accomplish it. Usually when people start going for their first pull-up, I encourage them to build their strength and abilities with a seated pull-up like this. This allows you to keep your feet on the ground so you can adjust the resistance based on your foot position. You can do this with bars like here on the Bodyweight Master is adjustable. You can also use gymnastics rings or suspension trainers like my DIY Prusik trainer here. But what do you do if all you have is an overhead place to hang from? You don't have anything belly or waist height, so maybe a doorway pull-up bar or a regular static pull-up bar, and you can't get low enough to keep your feet on the ground. How can you build up your pull-ups from that type of apparatus? Well, you can always hang and just build up the mobility in the shoulders and your hanging strength, which is a very important part of your pull-ups. You can also just kind of wiggle around and try and get reps like you're a worm on the end of a hook, but that's probably not the best practical solution either. Instead, what I recommend is instead of trying to start at the bottom and work your way up, start at the top and work your way down. So to do this, grab like a step or a chair or something that allows you to start in the top position on your pull-up bar. If you have one of those doorway pull-up bars, you may have like a neutral grip, which is what I recommend starting off with. And we're gonna start with isometric tension for the first week or two, holding yourself up at the top like so. So you grab, you're gonna be able to jump up, and you're gonna hold. From this position, you're squeezing in and working on tension in your back, shoulders, and biceps. Once you can hold yourself up for a couple of sets of 20 to 30 seconds, you're gonna start to build your reps by working on small repetition ranges first, and then having a slow negative controlled descent on your last repetition. Over time, you'll be able to increase your range of tension, meaning that you're going to be able to get lower and lower with your repetitions for those 3 to 5 repetition sets until eventually you're at the point where you're doing full range of motion pull-ups. I've left a sample workout down below in the description if you want to check it out, but in general, keep your rest periods fairly long, 90 seconds at least to 2 to 3 minutes. Frequency fairly high during the week, so 3, maybe even 4 times during the week. Listen to your body, see how you're recovering. And at least 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps, because we are building the skill of strength as it applies to getting a single pull-up. For more information, check out the description down below, as well as the comments section. Everybody's always leaving helpful comments and ideas on pull-ups and calisthenics training in the RDP community. If you have ideas and tips of your own, we'd love to hear from you down below as well. Till then, be fit, live free.